How to find the property address in your VRBO reservation. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, sign into your VRBO account. Then, click on My Trips at the top. After you click on My Trips at the top, look for reservation details. Then find the property address field in here. And after you've done that, if the address isn't shown yet, you can check again closer to check in. Use host messaging for missing details and return to My Trips after viewing again and confirm you can locate the address section for your booking. This is how to find the property address in your VRBO reservation. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.